Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to walk you through how to make another delicious homemade sauce. A mint sauce, one that's perfect for the springtime or a holiday Easter dinner. It's quick and easy to make, but loaded with flavor. So let me show you how to make it. Start off with the mint, round up a nice handful, and remove the leaves from the stems. For some additional flavor, 7 sprigs of fresh thyme. You'll also want to remove the leaves from the stems as well. So that's it for the prep work, nothing too difficult. Now it's time to throw everything into a blender. I like using a smoothie maker, but you can use any type of blender that you prefer. First add your mint leaves and then add the thyme. To this you'll add 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of ground horseradish. For a touch of tanginess to cut through that rich fattiness of a leg of lamb or grilled meats. 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of white wine vinegar. Snag some granulated white sugar, 1 tablespoon or 15 grams. Next you'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Top everything off with 3 tablespoons or 45 milliliters of hot water. That takes care of all of the ingredients, so now all that you have to do is blend the sauce until it's as smooth as you like. Have you ever struggled to make the perfect sauce? Wait no longer. Sauces made simply by the Sauce and Gravy channel chef, Johnny Mac, is a must for your next holiday feast or weeknight meal. Delve into a selection of savory and sweet sauces as well as rich gravy recipes. With easy to follow step-by-step directions and QR codes that will take you straight to the channel's video recipes. You will be able to visualize the sauce making process and improve your sauce making skills while delighting your family and friends. Order now and get your copy today. Links are in the video description and comment section below. Alright, back to the mint sauce. You can blend it as smooth or as chunky as you like. So check it out. After a quick blitz, this is what you have. A beautiful flavor-packed mint sauce that has a touch of freshness, tanginess, and a hint of spice that works amazingly well with roasted lamb. So that's how you make a homemade mint sauce. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And hey, if you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching. Until next Saturday, keep whisking, y'all.